In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Sympy in VS Code. By the end, you'll have the Sympy extension set up inside Visual Studio Code so you can work more comfortably with symbolic mathematics in your Python projects. We'll keep things simple and clear, and I'll add helpful tips along the way without taking you off track. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. It can be the welcome screen or an existing project. It doesn't matter. Having a stable internet connection helps because we'll be pulling the extension from the marketplace. If you haven't updated VS Code in a while, that's fine, but a recent version tends to make installation smoother. Next, look over to the activity bar on the left side of the window and open the extensions view. The icon looks like four little squares forming a larger square. Clicking this opens a panel where you can browse and manage everything you add to VS Code. If you prefer using the keyboard, the default shortcut to open extensions is often available, but clicking the icon is the most straightforward path and matches what you see on screen. In the search box at the top of the extensions panel, type Sympy. Keep it simple, just the word Sympy. You'll see a list of results populate beneath the search bar. Take a moment to glance at the descriptions so you pick the one that matches your needs. You're looking for an extension related to Sympy, the Python library for symbolic mathematics, which may provide features like snippets, helpers, or integration that improves your editing experience in VS Code. Checking the extension's details, ratings, and install count is a good way to confirm you've got the right one. When you found the appropriate Sympy extension, click the install button on that result. VS Code will download and install it automatically. You might see a brief progress indicator, and once it completes, the button typically changes to options like uninstall or disable. If VS Code prompts you to reload the window so the extension can finish activating, allow it to complete that process. This is normal and ensures everything is ready to use. That's it. You can confirm the extension is installed by checking the installed section in the extensions view. From there, you can open the extension's details to review any usage notes or settings. If search doesn't return results, double check the spelling and make sure your internet connection or any firewall settings aren't blocking the marketplace. With the Sympy extension in place, you're set up to work more efficiently with symbolic math right inside VS Code.